Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Here we dive into the latest advancements and trends in technology. Join us as we explore the future and push the boundaries of what's possible. In this video, I'll be sharing my recent experience with ChatGPT and how it handled things when its website went down for a brief period. Very short video, but I wanted to share how brilliantly it responded and how it helped keep customers informed and satisfied, in a funny way. Let's get to it. So earlier today, ChatGPT website went down for a brief period. I was like, here you go again. ChatGPT has been a hot topic lately, but it's been disappointing to find that it doesn't even work. Initially, I tried accessing it using Firefox, but when that didn't work, I switched to Chrome to see if it would make a difference. Unfortunately, it didn't help. However, during my brief experience with the website, it started writing 10 jokes about ChatGPT, which made me laugh. Despite the website not working, I found the quotes to be a clever touch. Let me share a few of them with you. 1. I heard the ChatGPT servers are slow because they're trying to teach the AI how to be patient. 2. The ChatGPT servers must be stuck in traffic. In the internet highway. 3. Maybe the ChatGPT servers are just taking a break to meditate and clear their electronic minds. That was really brilliant. They got me on this. What do you guys think? And don't forget to subscribe, like and smash the bell icon.